Hi, my name is Martin Day, CEO of Safety Media. I am pleased to re-release this series of short video clips on fire protection equipment maintenance. These short segments are designed to teach key maintenance procedures and functions of fire protection equipment while referencing Safety Media's logbooks. We hope you will appreciate this segment on water supply equipment.
Check the temperatures of the water supply rooms, tanks, and heating equipment on a daily basis to ensure that the temperatures do not fall below 4 Celsius or 40 degrees Fahrenheit. On a weekly basis, ensure that all water supply valves controlling the fire protection system are open and ensure that the main city water valve is open. Check valve chains to make sure nothing has been tampered with from the previous week. As well, activate the fire pump by turning the switch from automatic to on for only 1 second to ensure the pump will turn on. In buildings with gravity water tanks, the water levels must be checked on a monthly basis to confirm that they are full. Using S for satisfactory, US for unsatisfactory, and NA for not applicable, record all observations in the relevant columns for the daily, weekly, and monthly water supply reports. Any unsatisfactory results should be noted in the remarks column and proper action should be pursued to resolve the issue. Be sure to include your signature to conclude the reports.
We hope you found this video interesting and helpful. Please sign up for our informative monthly newsletter, check out our online store, follow us on social media, subscribe to our channel, and contact us via telephone or email anytime. Thank you for watching.